Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Finding and understanding bugs in C compilers, a deep dive. Finding bugs in C compilers is a challenging but rewarding task. Compilers are complex pieces of software, and a single bug can have widespread and subtle effects on the programs they produce. This tutorial provides a comprehensive guide to identifying, understanding, and even contributing to fixing compiler bugs, with a focus on practical techniques and examples. Why bug hunting in compilers matters. Correctness. Compiler bugs can lead to incorrect code execution, data corruption, or even security vulnerabilities. Identifying and reporting them is crucial for software reliability. Performance. Suboptimal code generation due to compiler bugs can significantly impact performance. Fixing these bugs leads to faster and more efficient programs. Standards.